Association is therefore compared to fire. When you put iron on fire, iron gradually becomes hot. So similarly, we do not understand why we chant 16 rounds. Many people are not serious about chanting 16 rounds because they do not know they are actually associating with the vibration of the Lord's name. It is not just theory. And then what happens? As the iron touches fire, gradually the iron gets hot. Okay, until the next day of chanting. So it's very important. Every day we sit down for 2 hours and very attentively, keeping aside your mobile, laptops, everything. Here, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. As much better pronunciation you can do, as much attentively you can chant. You should do. That's all. Okay, and then everything is become wonderful. By association, you feel blissful, you feel happy,